Hey everyone, this is the sound demo for the 10-minute dirt and boost. I have these kits on my web store, and speaking of web store, that's what the actual knob looks like too. If you order a knob with it, they're quite nice. So it's in a 1590A. If you're new to building pedals, I wouldn't recommend building it in a 1590A. Probably want to tackle this one in a 1590B if it's your first pedal. It's a good first pedal because it is very simple to build and to assemble. And it's also quite versatile. Like, despite the fact that it's very simple circuit, it's actually pretty versatile. You've got a boost that probably, if I had to estimate, would be 4 or 5 times your original signal. So you can use that to boost other pedals, or you can use it for lead brakes or whatever you need it for. And it's also got the clipping option too. So if you want to add distortion to another pedal and add a bit of extra distortion, a bit of extra clipping, you can put the clipping option on as well. You can also experiment with the diodes as well. You don't have to use the 1N34As. You can use silicons or rectifiers like the BAT41, sorry, shot keys I should say, like the BAT41. You can experiment with the diodes, get more or less volume out of it. Just a quick explanation on the actual pedal. When the switch is down, it's on boost. That's approximately where unity is. I'll show you in the video though. When you push it up, it's on clipping, but in order to get unity, you have to turn the volume up quite a bit. That's how the circuit works. It's part of the way that the circuit works. You have to compensate with the volume effectively. I'll show you both of those first. I'll show you the clipping first, and then I'll show you the boost at unity, so you can hear what it sounds like compared to the clean signal. Once we go above unity, it will clip the last part of the turn. It starts to get pretty dirty. It's a dirty boost, which is good when you're boosting an overdrive or a distortion pedal. So I'm going to first I'll show you those two things, and then I'll show you that last part, because as I get above unity, the microphone and the camera is just going to clip. So I'll be compensating with that by turning the amplifier down, but I'll leave that last in the sound demo so you can. You won't get confused as to amplifier volumes going up and down. I'll leave that till the end. So first I'll show you the first two options, the clipping and the boost. So let's do it. So I just showed you on the end there the difference between the volume, because I've turned, obviously, like I said, I compensated by turning the amplifier down, just so you could see how, get an idea for how much boost you've got. As you noticed, when I turned it off when the boost was on full, the the clean signal's quite low compared to the boosted signal. So it's not an unheard of amount of boost, but there's a substantial boost there. Should be enough to push another pedal. I find some of the boosts that go to ridiculous decibel levels are just unusable anyway. Once you get past a certain point, it just makes the pedal in the chain sound like crap anyway. But anyway, I'd use this at the front of your guitar signal. I think that's where it really belongs, just as a way of getting extra usage out of your overdrives and your distortions. I find it works really well for the reasons that, you know, you've got the clipping option if you want to add extra dirt, and you've got the boost option if you want to boost the pedal as well. So yeah, it's a good accompanying pedal, in my opinion anyway. So thanks for watching. Leave any questions below if you've got questions about it. Check out my web store if you want to buy one to build one. And thanks for watching.